Hot. Harry roars with rage move in court over right to pay for UK police protection but was rejected. Prince Harry has filed for a judicial review against the Home Office over a decision that prevents him from getting police protection in the UK. The Home Office decided the Duke of Sussex is not allowed to personally pay for police protection for himself, Meghan Markle and his children after the royals stepped down. Now, legal representatives for the royal have said Harry is afraid to return to the UK. Legal representatives for the Duke said Harry has offered to pay for the police protection himself and that he wants to bring his son Archie and baby daughter Lilibet to visit from the US, but is unable to return to his home. Now, the Duke has requested to pay for police protection himself, rather than ask taxpayers to foot the bill. According to his representatives, Harry is arguing his private protection team in the US does not have adequate jurisdiction abroad or access to UK intelligence information which is needed to keep the Sussex family safe. Noticeably, lawyers acting for the Duke of Sussex have written a pre-action protocol letter to the Home Office. It reveals that they will seek a judicial review if continued security is not provided by the UK, when he and his family visit. The Queen was said to have been notified in advance of Harry's plan to send the letter. It is thought to be the first time a member of the royal family has brought a case against Her Majesty's government. A source told the Mail on Sunday, Harry's argument in a nutshell is, "You got the law wrong." He feels the decision to remove his security was wrong. Pre-action protocol was sent by Harry's lawyers to the Home Office a couple of months ago. This is essentially a precursor to a judicial review. If the case goes forward it could lead to a legal battle in the High Court between government ministers and the sixth in line to the throne. But when he came back again in July, it is thought that was not the case. In 2020 Meghan and Harry announced their decision to step back from the royal family and now live in California. The pair have a son, Archie Harrison Mountbatten Windsor, who was born in the UK in May 2019, and a daughter, Lilibet Diana Mountbatten Windsor, born in the USA in June 2021. The Queen is said to be braced for revelations in Prince Harry's book which is due to be released this year. It has been speculated that he could talk about the relationship between him and his father Prince Charles and brother Prince William. It may also talk about how he quit the royal family and the so-called royal racist after he and wife Meghan Markle claimed that Harry had conversations within the royal household about how dark son Archie's skin might have been before he was born. In other news, Prince Harry is reportedly miserable in his California life with Meghan Markle 2 years after they stepped down as senior royals, says PR expert. Duke is just like a rabbit in the headlights and caught up in it. He doesn't look like a happy person at all. He looks jaded, said Richard Hillgrove, a public relations expert who has worked with figures such as Charles Saatchi and Julian Assange. The funny thing is, what he said in the ITV interview was that he's withdrawing from royal life, because he doesn't want to be in the limelight, he added, according to The Sun. But then he's morphed into this creation in America, where he's on the top of a bus, singing with James Corden, Hillgrove said. It's a million miles from what he professed that he wanted. He said he wanted a private life. He thinks this system in America has got his best interests and everyone at home has got it in for him.